All right, Chainlink on the daily chart, right? We got to wait for a move. And by that, I mean, like, what the hell is this? This is like move up, move down, move up, move down. This is like not a pattern. This is just chop, right? So you got to wait for a clear direction, unless you're, buying for for years from now, right? Then, obviously dollar cost average away. But let's, look at the facts here, right? What do we got? We're at the below the 200 day, so you got to lean a little bit more mud slash bearish, right? If you're under the 200, I mean, you can't get too excited, right? We're holding as resistance right now with, multiple attempts to try to hold above it and been unable to. You need to hold it as support and then bounce before you can, start getting excited again. So, I mean, we just basically in the biggest sideways trend of all time, out of any coin or asset in world history. Seems that way, but maybe the longest accumulation leads to the biggest explosive move. You never know, right? Sometimes that holds true. So the longer the accumulation, the longer the flat, sometimes the bigger the explosion. So we'll hope for that. But wait, you'll have plenty of time, right? We have levels on the daily at least flip to 200, right? The most of the moving averages are just flat and sideways, indecisive. So let's hold 740 as step one, as support, right? Then zoom out again. We're at least we're holding above the 21 week EMA, so that's good. We need to hold that for sure. A 711 right now. We need to move up, right? And our big weekly breakout, we're still below the 200 week. That's at 980. We've talked about that for the past 78 years. Um, so we need a move to the upside, a decisive move, right? Our highest close is right here back in August 2022. That closed at 876. So let's at least that's another step one on the weekly. So we have our daily. We got to continuously close above the EMA 8, or excuse me, the EMA 21 in the yellow. That's at 711. Another big step, 877. Take out that one with a weekly close. That would likely also maybe take out the 50 week here in the green. And then that would get us a little bit closer to have another shot at taking out the senior 200 weeko. And then we can start cooking, right? Then we can start cooking. But until then, I mean, what are the odds? More of whatever the hell that is. All right. So Chainlink update. Hopefully that helps.